Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn one of the powerful feature of Drupal Views, that is rewriting the fields. This is a fantastic way to customize the output of your content without needing custom code. So let's get started. First, let's understand what rewriting fields in a Drupal Views actually means. When you create a view in a Drupal, you often want to display content in a specific way. The default output might not always match what you need. This is where rewriting fields comes in handy. It allows you to modify the output of field directly from the view's interface without altering the actual content stored in a database. In last tutorial, we have seen another method to display the content in a specific way by creating custom views unformatted Twig template. You can find that video link in the description of this video. In this tutorial, we will learn same using the rewriting fields. For instance, I have this content type and its name is employee content type and it has these fields: title, name, email address and the salary of the employee. If you want to display the name and the email address in the same div and salary in another div, so for that we can use the fields rewriting in a Drupal. Now let's first create the new view. For that, go to structure, click on views, click on add view. After that, enter the view name. So we will create the new view. Its name is employee listing. From this type drop down, select the content type. My content type name is employee. So we will display the list of employees from the employee content type only, and we will create the block for that and click on the save and edit. Now we will add the fields. Right now there is only title added. Now we will add the other fields. Right now you can see just the title field is display. So to add another fields, click on the add buttons in the fields and search for the field's name. So we will first add the name field, which is available in the employee content type. Select it. Next we will add email address. So it is also in the employee content type. Select this field, and last field is the salary field. Click on add and configure button. So for now we will apply the default settings. Click on apply and continue and click on apply button. First we will change the sequence of these fields. So first I want to display the name, after that the email address. So I will drag this field up, then the email address and the salary. Click on apply button to apply changes, and in the output you can see our data is display. Now I will place this view in one of the page. So for that, go to structure and the block layout. Go to the content region. Place the block in content region. So our view name is employee listing. Click on this place block button to place this block, and we will place this block on employee-data page. Employee-data, copy this URL. So that this block will be visible only on employee-data URL. Click on save block. Again, now refresh this employee-data page so that our view block will be placed here and we are able to see the data from the view. And if you check the structure of this view, here you can see the name field, email address and salary are in the separate views. Now we will merge the name field and the email address field in a single div. So for that we need to rewrite the fields in a view. Go to our view, that is the employee listing view, and to rewrite the fields, click on the last field, the salary field, because we are going to rewrite the employee and the email address fields. Suppose if you want to just rewrite email address and name, in that case you need to rewrite the email address field. So I will show you how to rewrite the field. Click on the salary field, go to the rewrite result, and here we can write our custom HTML. To check the fields machine name, you can go to the replacement patterns and you will get the machine name of the fields. So we will add the name and the email address in a single div and the salary in another div. First I will create the div, class equal to first hyphen div, and I will add the label as a name and the machine name of our name field. I will add the pipe separated to separate these two fields. After that the email address and the machine name of our email address field. So its machine name is field underscore email address. Copy it and paste here and close this div. In the next div we will place the salary field. We will add class as a second div. Close this div, add label as a salary and the machine name of our salary field. Paste it here. Again we have seen Drupal has added some default classes like view field some salary. So we can remove these classes. For that, scroll up, click on the style setting, uncheck this add default classes so that it will remove these default classes. Click on apply button to save the changes. Here we can see we are getting the fields output in the required format like name, email and the salary, but also we are getting these fields name and the email address. So we can hide these fields. Just click on this field name and check this checkbox, exclude from the display. Click on apply changes. Same for the email address. Click on exclude from display checkbox and click on apply button and save the view. Our view is saved. Now I will refresh this page. Here you can see we are getting the output like name as a label and the actual name of the employee. Same way for the email address and email address of that employee and the salary. If we check the HTML structure of this, here we can see we are getting the employee name and the email address, and in second div, its class is second div, we are getting the employee salary. So same we have set here in this rewrite fields as well. And that's it from this tutorial. A quick and easy way to rewrite fields in a Drupal views to achieve exactly the output you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Drupal tips and tricks. Drop your questions or suggestion in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.